Well, hey, Vessels of Grace. It's been a while since I have recorded a video, and I'm so excited to bring you two new videos this week. One video is going to be on how to create Facebook posts. This is a specific request by one of our subscribers, and so I'm so happy to show you how you can create your Facebook designs using Canva. And two, I am going to also create another video showing you how you can schedule your Facebook posts from within Canva to your Facebook page. So get excited. That is what's coming up next. All right, and we are back. And as you can see, I am already logged into my Canva account. So in order to create your post within Canva, you do need to have a Canva account. Now, I do have a Canva Pro account, and I know that you can also create designs with a Canva free account. The only thing with the Canva free account, you do not have access to all of the images and all of the features, such as being able to schedule your posts to automatically post to your Facebook page, group, or whatever you have in Facebook. So therefore, it is advisable that you do create an account. Even if you start with free, totally fine. You can always still post your Facebook post that you create from within Canva to your Facebook page. You just have to do it manually. So the option is still there for you. But what we're going to start with first is, let's just jump right on in. Let me show you how to create a Facebook post from within Canva. All right, so Canva allows you to create a post from like your templates, okay? And so what I would like to do though is start by creating a design. So this will be a blank design that we are going to create, but I'm going to also show you how you can start with a template too. So let's go ahead and click on create a design. And I have already typed in Facebook, but if you didn't have it typed there, you want to type in Facebook into the search bar here. And so now that we have that there, you can see all of the different types of templates you can create just for Facebook alone. You can create a Facebook ad, app ad, cover, event cover, fundraiser, post, profile pictures. So you have some options here. What I would like to draw your attention to specifically are the posts. So you have a Facebook post landscape that is dimensions 1200 by 630 pixels. You have Facebook post square that's 1080 by 1080 px, and then you have Facebook post landscape, another landscape that's dimensions 940 by 788 pixels. Now by default, I always choose the Facebook post square 1080 by 1080 because I also post to my Instagram account. And if I choose the 1080 by 1080, I can be sure that if I want to post the same design that I'm creating to both my Facebook and Instagram account, I can be sure that it's still going to display well. It's going to display within the dimensions on either of my accounts, whether it's Instagram and or Facebook. So I always use Facebook post square. That's why. So let's go ahead and click that one. And what we are going to do next is look at how we can create a Facebook post. And so here you can title your designs, which I highly recommend for organizational purposes. So for the purposes of this, I'm just going to say YouTube Facebook post example. Now I know what this design is all about just by looking at the name of the design. And now I can here on the left see that by default design is already selected, and then templates by default is already selected. So if I would like to start with the template, I can simply start scrolling down here on the left hand side. Okay, so as I am scrolling here on the left hand side, I'm looking for a template that catches my eye if I see one. And usually I use these templates and then I edit them with my brand colors, my customized text, and if I like to add any additional elements, then I can do that. But it's very helpful to not have to start completely from scratch. So I think I do like this design just at a glance. So I will click on it. Now that I've clicked on it, here I can begin to customize it. I can change the colors, change the font type, I can change out the images and the text. And so let's keep this or that. And I'm very interested in mental health. Therefore, I will change the text here to say, you know, what's your maybe ask, what are you feeling today? I'll just use that for now. Might change it later. But for now, I'm just going to say, what are you feeling today? Right? Okay. So now I'm moving it around and I'm waiting for my guidelines to pop up because I like things to be centered. So there it is. You can see that line in the middle straight down the design. That lets me know that my text is now centered. And then I just want to move it up just a little bit. And that way, there we go. And leave it centered. Not really feeling the font too much. So therefore that font type, yeah, Bukhari script, nah, not really feeling it. So maybe I'll switch. Now I have my own brand colors. So my brand kit, I have set that up. So these are my default font types here. So I'll go ahead and stick with my script. And now I don't like seeing the two lines, the text being on two lines. So what I did was grab the handle here of the design and I just stretched it out a little bit. And then I'm grabbing here to again recenter the text onto the design. So there we go, making some progress here. And then I want to change the color of the text to black for now. So I highlighted everything and then I clicked on the A here and chose my color from my brand kit. All right, looking good so far. So the background, I'm gonna hold off on that just for a second. So what are you feeling today? So now what I want to do is click on elements because I'm looking for a photo of someone. Let's just say, are you feeling happy or are you feeling sad? So I'm gonna type in happy under elements, search elements, type in happy. And I actually want it to be a photo. So now I'm going to click photo. And if you notice here, the photos are vertically placed. So what you can do is click here on your filter. It's right here, click filter, and then your orientation. So I want to only see photos that are happy, but that are vertical to match the vertical shape here. And there we go. So here's someone who looks happy. So let's drop her here. And then let's say somebody's sad. So I'm looking for someone who's sad. So I'm gonna go back to the search bar, type in sad. These are vertically shaped. Now I'm going to drop this picture here. And all I did was click on the picture and then click and hold and drag until it changes. And once it changes the background image, I let go. All right. And so now this, once I dropped it in, the image was perfectly centered, but this image not centered like I would like. So what I am going to do is just double click on that image if I can. Perfect. And it will let me. And then I'm just going to tab over with my arrow key if I can, but I can't. So I'm just going to take my mouse, click, and just drag from left to right until she's a little bit more centered to my liking. Okay, I like that. So now I'm going to click done here. All right, so there we go. We got one. What are you feeling today? This or that? Happy, sad. Okay, and then here, fashion does not go with the type of post that I'm creating. So since this person looks like they are happy, I'm going to delete that because I cannot edit the text. So it's an image, it's not text. So since it's an image and I don't want that to say fashion, I'm going to going to delete it actually. So delete. And then let's see, there's a shadow there. Okay, I'll leave that there, no big deal. I think I do want to change that font type to my brand font type. And then trying to think if I want to, how would I like to change my background. I think I want to make the text here just a little bit bigger. And as far as the background, I might keep it simple and just change the color to white. And there we have it. So if you would like to post this to your Facebook page, now you have your template, you have your design. You can also add your business name here if you're posting to promote your business service. Let's see here. I'm just going to give you a space here where we could say business name. So you could type in your business name there, and let's just make that a little bit bigger. Let's make it 45. So you can type your business name there, and there you have it. You have created a Facebook post. Now, there is a lot more that you can do with this Facebook post. You can change the background image. You can click on elements. You can type here background, and it will give you options. Virtual backgrounds. You can get a background that's black, that's blue, that's white, that's green. So let's just leave it as background. Click enter. And now you can see different graphics, photos that are background images. You can even use a video background if you would like, and then you can make it gradient or black or white. Uh-oh, gotta charge my laptop. Let me turn that on. Okay. And so you have different images. So I think I will choose this video background just for the fun of it. And so now you have that spinning in the background while you're asking your question, what are you feeling today? And that is what you can do. You can animate the images, you can animate your text. So if you are interested to learn more about the animations, if you want to explore more about the elements, because here on the left hand side, this is where you have your toolbar. So you have one here on the left. You also have one here at the top. You have a toolbar here. These give you additional options or additional elements you can add, additional features you can add to really make your posts pop. You can, transparency is an option. You can reposition the different elements on the screen. You can animate them. You can even flip them. You can crop. If it's a video, you got playback. You can control the video speed here. You can even make it loop, autoplay. You can even trim it. So if you want the video to be shorter, you can trim that here. You can edit the video, and anything that you want to make changes to, just click on it. When you click on it, now you'll see what your options are here. And so by looking at the toolbar here at the top and here on the left hand side, you can even draw if you are a drawer and you want to just use your stylus on your tablet or your phone. They give you some options to do that. You can add text. You can even upload your own images if you would like to, your own image, video, audio. And elements, you can add graphics, photos, videos, audio. You have that as an option. You even have apps here, so you can create a text, an image from text. So you just type in what you like to see and watch it here, as it says, come to life. And there's really a lot you can do. So if there is anything specifically that you see and you would like to learn more about specifically, just leave a comment on this video. Let me know. I am more than happy to go a little bit deeper into the specific features based on your request. But that's it for this video. This video was by request to show how to create Facebook posts. So I wanted to do that first. And stay tuned because I do have another video. So be sure to watch the next video that's going to be coming out to show you how you can now schedule this Facebook post to your Facebook account. And that's it for now. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with a friend. Let me know how I can support you in your digital tool journey. Thank you. Take care.